So it's Stephen Spector and Rafael Knuth with Mark Shuttleworth here. Mark, nice to have you here. Can you give us a brief overview over what you are presenting here at OpenStack Summit?
Sure. So Canonical is at the OpenStack Summit with the latest version of OpenStack and Ubuntu and all of our orchestration and management tools beautifully integrated. We're here really to meet other members of the OpenStack ecosystem. There is an incredible amount of diversity with vendors from all over the world and all over the tech landscape coming together here to figure out the operating system for cloud computing. And our story with Ubuntu and Juju and OpenStack is very pluggable. So what's great is we're working with all of these vendors to make it so that their stuff can just plug into running clouds, which makes it really easy for people who are building clouds to kind of test and evaluate lots of different approaches or tools or kinds of value add for OpenStack.
Any announcements that you're having at the OpenStack Summit?
Yeah, we announced a couple of things. First was a relationship with VMware, which makes it possible to deploy an OpenStack cloud and then connect it up to vSphere and ESX. And so you can use OpenStack as the cloud API, but ESX as the hypervisor for big chunks of your compute property. And that's really interesting for people who've already invested in large amounts of vSphere and ESX, and they have spare compute capacity there, but they're really interested in OpenStack as the cloud interface to all of that. So that was one a good story. Another good story is our relationship with InkTank, the company behind Ceph. They've got some amazing storage technology. Full disclosure, I'm an investor, but I'm an investor because I think it's amazing stuff, really transforming the economics and the capabilities of storage. So imagine a whole bunch of servers, vanilla disks, Dell DCS style, and turning that essentially into commodity scalable SAN storage solutions. So very, very cool stuff. Other than that, it is the road to Havana.
So I have a question for you. I noticed over here that you have this cool little laptop, and for those of us continuing to push Sputnik and Dell's world, seeing you with a Sputnik is fantastic. Can you say 2 words to people who go, maybe I should be running Ubuntu on my laptop instead of Macs?
Freaking awesome development experience. So what I love about this is it comes with Ubuntu out of the box, which is great. Runs really beautifully. It's light, it's thin, and so just slots in everywhere. And it's the environment of choice for anybody who's doing any kind of web development or cloud-oriented development. I love that I can build something here and just Juju deploy it straight onto the cloud.
Great. Well, thanks again for joining us, Mark. We really appreciate you taking the time.